Hello Squid TV viewers. Today, guess what we're opening? We're going to open up some trash wheels. Hooray! Now let's go over and see. Let's start opening them up now. Okay, so let's open them up. Looks like we're going to get some good ones. Hope we do. Looks like some of them have already fallen out. Let's have a look. Looks like we've got Octopus, Sewer Shark, and Smelly Fish in order. And looks like we've got a golden mystery box. Let's open them up. Okay, well here it is. Let's open it up. And it's like it's going to be a good one. It's an ultra furry rat racer. And it looks like we've gotten we have moving mouse. So that's all for this video. We've got a very good pack of trash wheels. We've even got an ultra rare. That's just amazing. They're supposed to be ultra rare, even though because they're called ultra rares. Anyway, goodbye from Octopus. Hello, and that's the end of this Squid TV video.